Eco-friendly crafts, creativity meets sustainability. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and meaningful topic: eco-friendly crafts. If you're passionate about protecting our planet and love getting creative, then this video is perfect for you. We'll explore what eco-friendly crafts are, why they matter, and how you can start making your own. So, let's embark on this green crafting journey together. Eco-friendly crafts refer to creative projects that use sustainable, recycled, or natural materials to minimize environmental impact. Unlike conventional crafting, which often involves new, possibly non-biodegradable materials, eco-friendly crafting focuses on materials that are either biodegradable, recyclable, or sourced from sustainable practices. This can include anything from recycled paper and plastics to natural fibers and dyes. In this era of environmental awareness, eco-friendly crafts are more than just a hobby, they're a statement. By choosing to create with eco-friendly materials, crafters reduce waste by repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills, minimize environmental impact by avoiding the production of new, potentially harmful materials, promote sustainability by using resources more thoughtfully and efficiently. In essence, eco-friendly crafting is a fun and innovative way to contribute to environmental conservation efforts. Starting your eco-friendly crafting journey is easier than you might think. Here are some tips to get you going. Collect and repurpose common household items like jars, papers, and fabrics. Choose natural or recycled materials for your projects. Look for supplies that are marketed as eco-friendly. Get creative with waste. Before throwing something away, think about how it could be reused in a craft project. Share and inspire. Use your crafts to encourage others to think about sustainability. To kickstart your eco-friendly crafting journey, why not try one of these simple project ideas? Recycled paper greeting cards. Use old newspapers, magazines, or scrap paper to create personalized greeting cards. Plastic bottle planters. Cut plastic bottles into interesting shapes and use them as fun planters for your herbs or flowers. Natural dye fabrics. Experiment with fruits, vegetables, or spices to dye fabrics with beautiful, natural colors. We hope this video inspires you to start your own eco-friendly crafting projects. Remember, every small effort counts when it comes to protecting our planet. By incorporating sustainability into our hobbies, we can make a big difference. Happy crafting, and don't forget to share your eco-friendly creations with the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.